Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are looking at how to easily change your country or location in BlueStacks. If you need to spoof your location for specific apps, games, or testing, BlueStacks has a simple built-in tool that takes just a few seconds to use. Let's get straight into it. To get started, open your BlueStacks player. Look over at the toolbar on the right side of your screen. You are looking for the Set Location icon. It looks like a little map pin. If you don't see the toolbar or just want to use a shortcut, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus K on your keyboard to instantly open the location tool. Once the map window pops up, go to the search bar in the top left corner. Type in the specific city or country you want to switch to and hit search. The map will jump directly to that region. To finalize the change, just click the Set Location button down at the bottom right. And that's it. The internal Android system in BlueStacks now thinks you are physically in that new location. This works perfectly for most location-based apps and games. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.